The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. Fools despise wisdom and instruction.
Do not boast about tomorrow, for you do not know what a day may bring.
Many are the plans in the mind of a man, but it is the purpose of the Lord that will stand.
The way of a fool is right in his own eyes, but a wise man listens to advice.
Whoever walks with the wise becomes wise, but the companion of fools will suffer harm.
Oil and perfume make the heart glad, and the sweetness of a friend comes from his earnest counsel.
A fool gives full vent to his spirit, but a wise man quietly holds it back.
A soft answer turns away wrath, but a harsh word stirs up anger.
Gracious words are like a honeycomb, sweetness to the soul and health to the body.
I'm Reverend Dr. David Coe, Assistant Professor of Theology and Philosophy at Concordia University, Nebraska. Provoking Proverbs categorizes the book of Proverbs according to the 10 Commandments, so that you can easily analyze, personalize, and memorize your top 10 favorite biblical proverbs, one for each of the 10 Commandments. I pray that Provoking Proverbs provokes you to fear, love, and trust in God above all things, because God forgives, loves, and treasures you first. Get ready to get poked and provoked by Provoking Proverbs.